I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around now, turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now, turn around now. I just wanna
Good morning, everybody. I hope you're well, and if you're not, I hope your day gets better. But we are up this early for one reason and one good reason only, and that is to head to another Disney park. Today we are going to Animal Kingdom, which I don't often go to that park, so I'm really excited to meet my friend there today. But I know it's gonna be hot, so we'll see how long we last. Nevertheless, I'm excited to take you all with me and see what adventures we can find. Cheers. So my friend ended up meeting me in the parking lot at Animal Kingdom, and once we got there, of course, we took in the view of the Tree of Life. But it was also interesting because, as you can see, Kevin is looking up, and that is because there were two helicopters hovering over the park, the entrance of the park, causing quite the disturbance, and that is due to a change in laws where the airways over Disney World are now open thanks to our governor and all that he's trying to do to change Florida's relationship with Disney. But yeah, our agenda for the morning was just to find some food and then take in the sights because Animal Kingdom has really cool views, as you can see. So as we were making our way around the park, we saw some friends on the river, and then we decided to head to the Creature Comforts Cafe, which is the Starbucks in Animal Kingdom, for some food and fuel before heading to the Festival of the Lion King.
Waiting for sunshine. Ooh, waiting for sunshine. Waiting for sunshine. Ooh, waiting for sunshine. Waiting for sunshine. Ooh.
After the Festival of the Lion King, we decided to hurry on over towards Asia to catch Finding Nemo. That's right, Finding Nemo. I loved this show so much, As you can see, the costume and stage design was so great and accurate to the movie, and the twist on the story was also very cute as well.
Waiting for sunshine. Ooh.
So after the show, we decided to conquer Expedition Everest, which is the roller coaster in Animal Kingdom. And then we also decided to check out this next show, which has feathery friends, if you can't tell. And I was super impressed by the intelligence of these birds and how they were able to train them to do certain things like walk into certain spots, fly overhead, and it's just amazing how intelligent they are. Our next stop was the safari, but not before grabbing some snacks while we waited in line. But it wasn't too long before we were able to get on our own ride on the safari and start to learn about all these wonderful animals that we saw from our tour guide. After enjoying the safari, we decided it was time to go, but on our way towards the exit, of course, we had to do some window shopping.
Hello from the car. Anyways, I got home like half an hour ago. No, like an hour ago. And I just needed to refuel, refresh after spending the day outside at Animal Kingdom. And now I'm gonna head to an errand, which I was gonna put it off until tomorrow because I just wanted to stay home, honestly. But I realized that I also have some other like commitments tomorrow, and they're kind of like mid-morning, afternoon, and the only way that I could probably do this specific errand would be to go early in the morning, and I just didn't really want to do that. So I figured I could get it over with today and kind of turn it into like a little fun trip, because there's a shopping plaza where I have to go, and I also thought I could probably grab a treat, a little coffee, if you know what I mean. But yeah, we're gonna do that now, that way we don't have to do it tomorrow, and we're gonna window shop. We're gonna look around and take our time. I'm home. It's twilight. I've been out all day. I've exhausted myself, but I went to the pool store. It was kind of discouraging and encouraging at the same time, but we're gonna deal with the pool tomorrow. And then my husband is watching me. Yeah, tonight I'm just gonna go inside, give Theo a bath. That's my dog, because I just got him some new shampoo at Marshall's, dog mom status. And then I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night. I'm so tired, but it was a good day. See you tomorrow.
You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how
Alright, so it's a few days later, weeks later. I unintentionally took like 2 to 3 weeks off from editing. I did start working more at my second job, and then we were just getting closer and closer to finally closing on the house that we moved into. It's a very unique situation, and I'll share at a later time when I feel that it's right. But today we finally closed, and I had it on my agenda to finish this vlog, but I also realized that I never closed out this vlog, so what better way to do it than with some good news documented. And for the vlogs to come, excuse me, for the vlogs to come, I know that I'm definitely going to want to document just like the house projects and putting in work and restoring this home. So I'm really excited for that, but we have 2 weeks of summer left. So Disney is definitely in the agenda for the next 2 weeks. I don't know how much I'll go though, because it has been so hot, so hot. But if I do, I'll take you along, and thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to share what's next, and I'll see you in the next one.